Over 65 and dealing with dietary restrictions? Let's keep it healthy and tasty without the hassle. We'll explore delicious creations that bring excitement back to your dinner table. First dish, fiber-rich white bean with spinach and tomato skillet with bold spices. This Tucson white bean skillet makes 2 servings, about 350 calories each, packed with fiber, plant protein, and heart-healthy ingredients. Okay, moving to recipe number two, Mediterranean-inspired creamy lentil mushroom stroganoff. Now, for this dish, we're using Greek yogurt instead of cream. This recipe yields 2 servings and each is around 390 calories. Servings of a flavorful, easy to digest stroganoff alternative that's high in fiber, iron, and plant protein. These quick under 30 minutes, one pan meals are heart healthy, fuss free, and beneficial for individuals over 65 or those managing weight or cholesterol, offering simple and wholesome nutrition. If you found this video helpful, subscribe now for exciting upcoming episodes filled with healthy creations for seniors with 2 recipes in each episode. In our next videos, get ready for a chicken and a beef dish followed by 2 flavorful fish recipes and then some fantastic summer salad ideas. Find the full recipe and product links below and discover your next favorite dish in my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.